With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, our question is, a piece of ice is floating in a vessel containing water, and inside the ice is a bubble of air. Okay, then what will be the effect on level of water when the ice melts? Okay, so basically in this question we have to find the effect on the level of water when ice melts. Okay, so let me draw a rough diagram to better understand this question. Okay, let's say this is the container. Okay, in which water is filled. Okay, now according to question, ice is floating. Okay, so let me draw it. Let's say this is the ice which is floating. Okay, and in which inside it air bubble. Okay, so this is air bubble. Okay, and this one is ice. Okay, now let's say the density of ice is rho. Okay, so density of ice is rho ice. Okay, and volume of ice is V ice. Okay, now let's say density of water is density of water is rho W. Okay, now if ice is floating, which means that the downward force which is acting on ice is mg, and on ice upward force is acting, which is buoyant force. Okay, so let me draw it here. Buoyant force. Okay, and in downward direction mg. Okay, now if ice is floating, which means these forces are equal. Okay, so let me write here, mg is equal to buoyant force okay, so buoyant force is equal to rho Vg. Okay, where V is displaced volume, okay, and rho is density of liquid, okay. Now let me write here, mg can be written as rho into volume. Okay, because density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, So it can be written as rho of ice into volume of ice, which we are assumed, okay, into G is equal to buoyant force rho of water into volume displaced Vd into G. So here you can see easily that G and G will cancel out. Then finally we get volume displaced is equal to rho of ice into volume of ice upon rho of water. Okay. Now the second most important thing is after melting, mass is remain same. Okay. So according to this, we can write here mass of ice is equal to mass of water after melt. Okay. So let me write here. Mass of ice is rho of ice into volume of ice. Okay. And mass of water is rho of water into new volume. Okay. After melting. Okay. So from here we can write that V new is equal to rho of ice into V of volume of ice upon rho of water. So here you can easily see that these two values, first one is volume displaced and second one is new volume, is equal. So because of that, we can easily say that the level of water is remain unchanged. Okay. So the correct option is option A. Okay. Which means level of water will remain unchanged. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.